Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select security, and here click on fingerprint. Draw an unlock pattern if you already have one, and if you don't you will have to provide a new one. And now tap on add fingerprint. So as you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen. So just tap on start and keep tapping on this fingerprint ID panel till your fingerprint is fully added. And now tap on done. So this is it. As you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.